Welcome back. Kuchire municipality has demolition drive to bulldoze 28 illegal garages in the market. The demolition drive is following a High Court order. 13 garages were earlier rehabilitated, but the shopkeepers used the old as well as new garages for their business. Hence, 13 old garages will be demolished along with 15 illegal garages in the market. Chief Officer of Kuchire, Agnel Fernandez, initiated the demolition drive with the demolition squad.
आयची डिमॉलिशन ड्राइव आम्ही केली ती इन 1997 हायकोर्ट ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे जे एन्क्रोचमेंट ऑन पब्लीक पाथवेज आनी पब्लीक रोड पेवमेंट आनी लोकांक ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन जाता ती आमी फर्स्ट फेजीन काडपाक केल्या. सो ही आमची मोहीम आमी सगळ्या एडवर्टिजमेंट करून सगळे लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्साक घेवन तांकां सांगून सगळे आयची फुल्ली डिमॉलिशन स्क्वॅड आयज आहा मोकडें सगळे पुलीस आहाय रॅपीड फायर फोर्स आसा मोकडें म्हाका एक्झिक्युटीव मॅजिस्ट्रेट आसा आनी आय हॅव स्टार्टेड डिमॉलिशन टुडे आनी ही सगळी चालू उरतली एक दिसभर आयज दिसा भितर. पयलीं आमी ही शोआची सर्कल पयलीं घेवपाक कमेंस केल्या. थिंगा आमी एक सगळी गाडी रस्त्या सायडीन आसाय तेचे गटरार आसाय ते आमी पयलीं काडटाय. सो हे 15 गाडी आसाय ते गटराचे आसा सारके. मागीर हे जालें म्हणटरी आमी एन्क्रोचमेंट आतां पब्लीक पाथवेज मार्केटां वयतले आनी मार्केटाक थोडे आमी इवन जी सुडां आमी जे लोकांक रिहेबिलिटेट केले तरी आसतना हे थोडे 15 लोक आहाय ते अजून पासून ते थिंगा पयलीं शॉप्स आहाय ती अजून पासून ती ऑक्युपाय केलो आसाय आनी ती आमी हेचे फाटल्यान ती काडटले.
Madgaon police busted a sex racket in Madgaon on Thursday. A couple, Ayaz Khan and Rukhsana, are apprehended for allegedly involved in sex racket. The victim girl has been rescued. The vehicle used in trafficking is also attached by the police.
Information that one male and female, namely Ayaz Khan and Rukhsana, are involved in providing girls for the purpose of prostitution. As such, we arranged a decoy customer at around 2 o'clock, and as per the conversation with the decoy customer, they came to deliver the girl near Apollo Victor Hospital in a red color Volkswagen car bearing registration number GA07E0341, and accordingly our decoy customer approached the occupants of the car, that is one male and 2 females, and handed over a cash to the male person. And during this time they suddenly came to know that the police have cornered them, and as such he suddenly started the car and ran towards KRC.
KRC Employees Union held a joint convention meet in Madgaon to protest against KRC management and anti-working class policy. President of KRC Union, Milind Tuvaskar, said that Goans are not benefited by the KRC operations. He said that KRC is merely a bypass route. He also said due to lack of port connectivity, there is no profitable business to KRC.
KRC एम्प्लॉइज यूनियन और कोंकण रेलवे कामगार सेना संयुक्त रूप से और कोंकण रेलवे कामगार सेना पूर्ण रूप से KRC एम्प्लॉइज यूनियन को सपोर्ट करेगी. ये ठहराव सहमत हो चुका है और फिर एक बार हम सब लोग हाथ ऊपर करके इस ठहराव को सहमति देने का हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. कोंकण रेलवे के प्रशासन ने चालू रखा हुआ इस कुप्रशासन को पूरा का पूरा समाप्त करने का हम आज यहाँ पर वचनबद्ध हो रहे हैं और इस वचन के लिए भी आप सब लोग वचनबद्ध हैं. इसके लिए हाथ ऊपर करके
एकंदरीत भ्रष्टाचाराने बोकाळलेले सध्याचं प्रशासन उदासीन प्रशासनाच्या विरोधामध्ये ही लढाई आहे. कामगारांवरती अन्यान्य अत्याचार होत आहेत. 750 किलोमीटरच्या ट्रॅकवरती रेल्वे ट्रॅकवर काम करणारे आमचे ट्रॅकमन रानावनामध्ये असलेले गेट त्या गेटवरती काम करणारे आमचे गेटमन यांना अतिशय त्रास सहन करून काम करावं लागतं.
Goa Congress Party has claimed that nearly half of the MLAs from ruling government are in their contact, but they are not in a mood to disturb the present BJP-MGP government. Party had challenged CM to declare names of the Congress MLAs who are in touch with the BJP as claimed by Manohar Parrikar. On Thursday, Congress Party came down heavily on Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. They criticized his dictator-like attitude towards other MLAs. Party spokesperson Sudeep Thamankar claimed that 14 MLAs from ruling government are in contact with the Congress Party. His statement came 2 days after Manohar Parrikar's claim of 4 Congress MLAs being in touch with him. He challenged Manohar Parrikar to declare names of the Congress MLAs.
काँग्रेसचे जर 4 आमदार जर त्याच्या संपर्कान आसा जाल्यार तेणी आमी काँग्रेस पार्टी व्हडल्या काळीज व्हडले करून अवश्य तांकां धाडपाक तयार आहा तेचे कडेन पण ताका आमी एकूच सांगूंक सोदता की तेंचे पळय जे 14 आमदार पळय आमच्या संपर्कान आहा पळय तांकां व्हडले काळीज करून तेणी धाडचे आमचे कडेन नाल्यार मागीर रडोंक बसचो न्हू सरकार उडयले काँग्रेसीन अशें केलें तशें केलें म्हणून रडोंक बसचो न्हू म्हणून ताका लागून आमी ताका ओपन आव्हान दिता 4 आमदार जर आमच्या संपर्कान अवश्य व्हरचे आणि 14 जे पळय येवपाक आहा पळय ते आमी अवश्य व्हडल्या काळीज करून तेणी तांकां धाडून दिवचे हांगासर अशें आमी आयज ताका हांगासर आव्हान दिता.
Congress says 11 MLAs from the BJP including 2 ministers are with them. 3 MLAs of the MGP including 2 ministers are with Congress. Karnataka-like situation might arise in Goa. Most of the BJP MLAs want change in leadership. Our reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Falari. News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.